Hi everyone, welcome to my first tutorial video on how to um, make use of Discord for the Solana ecosystem based airdrops. I discovered that some people, or most people, they always find it difficult to attempt airdrop from the Solana ecosystem, because nowadays airdrop from the Solana ecosystem or Solana blockchain, they are valuable. They are valuable more than airdrops from the Binance Smart Chain network or some other ones. So now I would like to shed more light on how to attempt airdrop from the Solana ecosystem. Now, in order to apply for airdrop from Solana, most of the airdrop they always come alongside Discord registration. You need to have a Discord account. You need to have a Twitter account. You need to have you need to register on Solet.io, and then you need to have a Telegram and so on. So now, the first thing that you need to have is Discord, which is very very important. Most of the airdrop that always come with a very big amount of money, they always come from Discord. Discord is just a normal social media application, just like the way you have WhatsApp, but it is more advanced. So there are a lot of features on the Discord application. So now, make sure if you are using Android, if you are using Android, go to your Play Store, search for Discord, then you download Discord. So this is the icon for the Discord app. Discord. So this is the icon for the Discord app. So let me open it. So this is how the interface, the GUI, the graphical user interface, this is how it is. So it's some kind of complicated, but it's not that difficult. So you just need to be you need to you don't need to feel as if, oh, how am I going to do this? It's easy. It's only if you feel like it's difficult for you that it's going to be difficult. So now, make sure you just set up your account. Like my own now, this is my username, Alagbarason #1520. So that's my username for the Discord. This thing. So the Discord username is very important, because at times some airdrop they will require you submit your Discord username. So you have to know your Discord username. So, and then at the time you register, if you are assigned a maybe a kind of default username, you can change it to what you will remember. So like mine now, my own username is this is my username here. So the username alongside the hash 1520, so that's the complete username. Whenever you are asked of your Discord username, you have to make sure that you input it together. The whole of this is your username with the numbers and the hashtag, so it has to be together, no space. So that is that about that one. So the next thing I think I'll be explaining what we have here. What I have here at the left side, all of this. So there are icons that belong to each server that I have joined. Each server I've logged into, or I've joined, I've accepted their invite, I've joined the server. So can take a look at the server just like a normal WhatsApp group. So, but in Discord they call it server. So, a normal WhatsApp group. So these are the list of server that I have joined. So I can scroll up to see. You can see I've joined a lot of Discord server or group. I've joined a lot. I've even exit some. I've left some server. So now, most of the time, if you want to do the airdrop, so someone will send you an invite link. So by the means of the invite link, that's what you use to join the server. Now let me look for an invite link so that I'll be able to illustrate what I'm talking about. Now this is the server. This is the link. Okay, let me now this area that I mark. So this is the link. You see http semicolon discord.gg. So that's a link to a particular server. So since you have Discord installed on your phone, if you click on the link, let me click on it. You click on it, so your phone will bring up a panel which will show list of applications that you can use to open the link. So the first one, which has already been highlighted, is Discord. So you can just click on Discord. So because the link belongs to Discord, so that's why Discord is highlighted in the list. So you click on Discord. So now, as you can see, Lozzy official invited you to join fastest airdrop. So the name of this server is fastest airdrop. I don't think this is this server is an airdrop server. So it's just maybe a server just built by someone to share news about airdrop for people. So this one is not a particular project on a particular coin. So you can just, what you do now is, once you click on and this appear, then you click, then the next thing you do is you click on accept invite. That is, you want to accept the invite, you want to join the server. So that's what you click next. So accept invite, then I'll have access to the server. At times something like this may appear on your phone. So just click on this, what you have here. That's the navigation bar, or let me call it menu bar. So just click on it. Now let me click on the menu bar. As you can see, the name of the server, we have fastest airdrop written on top. So you can also invite a new member. If you want to invite a new member, then you click on invite members. Click on invite members. So this is your invite link. Your invite link is in here, and then we also have some couple of things like settings, icon for settings. We all know this icon. They are we are used to them. So set this link to never expire, because if you are to copy this link will expire after a day. So but if you don't want the link to expire after a day, then you check or you click this radio button. So that's the way it is. Then let's say I don't want it to expire after a day, then I'll click the radio button to generate another link. Then I'll click on share link. You click on share link. Maybe if I want to invite other people, someone invited me, then I want to invite people. Then I click on copy. It depends on your phone. So I click on copy to clipboard. Then I use my fingerprint. copy to clipboard. So that means I've copied the link. Then I can go and share it. Let me just make an example. Let me go back to my WhatsApp. So let me share it here. Paste. So now with that, another person can make use of the link and then join the server. So for that means I'm the one that I invite anyone who click this link. I'm the one that invite the person. So now you can see that at the time of me coming back to this WhatsApp, another person has sent a new Discord airdrop server, which is a Dream Coin. So let me try to join this server again. Let me join this new server. I'll click on the link, which is this. I'll click on this. So by the time you click on it, then open the server. Dream Coin. This one, they already have 1,547 members, 315 are online. Then I click accept invite. So I've joined this new server. So now, as you can see, there is a welcome message. Welcome to Dreamcoin. My username. So welcome to Dreamcoin. As people are entering, it's welcoming them. Then you click the menu tab, or the menu tab. So this one, very good. I love this invite link. The invite link to this server. Now, by the time you join a new server, you see some couple of things like this: start, welcome, and some you see announcements and so on. It depends on, you see several different sections. It depends on the owner of the server or the person that built the server. Depends on, they build it according to what they want. So now for this Dreamcoin server, now what they have is start, welcome, early supporter, airdrop address, airdrop address 500,000 robot commands. Now for example, in this server, as you can see, something just appear here. If you see this, whenever you see this icon, it's always, what is always inside is a captcha. That means this server that I just joined, they have a captcha. So it's until after I complete the captcha, that's when I'll be verified in order to be able to use this server. If I didn't do this captcha, let's say I submitted I was able to submit my my address later on, and I submit maybe they give us a form. I submit I fill the form, I submit everything, my Discord username, but along maybe after submission, when they were trying to when they want to start distribution, they will check the list of people who submit their address, their Discord username. So they also check with the username that you submit. They will use it to check if you complete the captcha, if you are a verified user of that server. So if they have a captcha and then you fail to complete the captcha, automatically you are not qualified for that airdrop. So that's why some people, they will say, I joined the server, I submit my address, they didn't give me the airdrop. So that's why some people used to face that kind of problem, because they don't know that there is a captcha. Most people, let me say most, they don't know that there is a captcha that they need to fill. Now, to do the captcha, all you need to do is this place that I circle. Always have this icon on your head. So this icon is always for captcha. So you click on the icon, then you see server captcha bot. Today at 14:33, welcome to Dreamcoin. Please send the captcha code here. This is to protect the server against targeted attack using automated user. Because there are some people out there that they build a bot on this Discord. So with the bot, they will be doing some kind of cheating. So that's why some of the whenever they build a Discord server like this, they always like to put a captcha so that you verify. because the bot will not be able to do this. So now all you need to do is you need to verify, you need to enter this. Enter this. It is case sensitive. It is case sensitive. So you need to enter the what we have there. So now G4. I think this small letter or capital letter. So this small letter Y, E, and then small letter Q. So then you click on send. This send. Sorry. I don't know. Trying to. Then you click on send. The blue the arrow pointing to the right with a blue background. The white arrow. So that's the send. You click on send. So as you can see, thank you. You have been verified in Guide Dreamcoin. Can you see that this captcha belongs to Dreamcoin? So that means I've been verified successfully. Then I'll go back to the server, to the Dreamcoin server. So I have a lot of server here. It will be difficult for me to recognize the icon because I don't know the icon for the Dreamcoin server. Then I can go back to my WhatsApp to check the icon. I can go back to my WhatsApp. So now this is the icon for the Dreamcoin. This is the icon, like that's a gold star with Dreamcoin written on it. Then let me go back to my Discord. So this is it. This is it here. Then I'll click it. You need to click it so that it will appear. I'll click on the server. Then I have Dreamcoin appear. Can you see that this the section is now is not up to like this before. It was not up to like this before. What we have here was just airdrop. We don't have all these Chinese general price of dream. We don't have all this here. So that means it's after the verification was successful. That's when they allow me to see some other sections of the server, of the Dreamcoin server. Now whenever you have maybe this is an airdrop that I am supposed to apply for instantly, but for the sake of this tutorial, maybe I'll just I'll use it as an explanation. So it's possible I don't later meet up, though I don't care. So let me just use this one as an explanation. It came at the right time. So now first thing, always make sure you check from the top. Rules, you read their rules, because at times in rules they might tell you to check a particular emoji, they might tell you to click on a particular emoji. So that's why you need to read everything carefully, all the sections carefully, so that you know the instruction that you need to do, you know the instruction you need to follow in order to have a complete application. So as you can see the way I'm navigating. Okay, to navigate back, all you just need to do is you click on this tab, on this menu tab or menu bar, menu tab rather. So now to navigate back, then you also go to start. In start, you read their instructions. So what they have here is the story about their airdrop. So you read it carefully so that you know what they are up to. So they said post your BSC address. Like in here they said post your BSC address in airdrop address. If you are a early supporter, you need hold some Dreamcoin in your wallet so I can see it and send airdrop. So they are talking about their early supporters. So You can find how to buy Dream in pain. So all this story, you read it to know more about the project. So Dream coin contract. So the Dream coin contract that I have there here, this is the contract address for the Dream coin. So the developer, so it's always the developer of the project that will be in charge. That is always in charge of the Discord server. So also with some other member of the planning group. So now, when 1,000 people join here, I will start send airdrops soon. I want to know what is your dream now. Please tell me if I love your dream or other give you. I will send you some dream coin. Please send your dream and so on. I think this person's English is some kind of horrible. So post your Twitter in Twitter. So like in general, now you can talk here. This as general is a section in this server, so you can talk there. You can interact with people, other people in the server in general. So they now say at everyone, post your Twitter in hash Twitter. That is your Twitter link. Post it in hash Twitter. Let me know you are not a robot and need have more than 20 followers and post Dreamcoin in it. So what they are saying here is this person's English is some kind of horrible. What he's saying here is that post your Twitter link in Twitter, in hash Twitter, that is the Twitter section of the server, and then he's saying let me know you are not a bot, and he's also telling you that you need to have more than 20 followers and post Dreamcoin in it. That is, in order to be able to qualify for this airdrop, your Twitter account must have more than 20 followers. If you don't have more than 20 followers, they might or they may not give you the airdrop, or you will not be qualified for the airdrop. So now he said it says retweet this tweet, post your retweet and tag more than 3 friends. So just make sure you read everything so that you know the instructions that you have to follow. So it's very, very simple. It's very simple. So that's about that one. So let me now go to welcome. So I don't think I have anything I'm going to do here. So you go to meme. On meme you can create a meme post, a meme picture, or you can just, if you're a graphic designer, you can design anything meme, anything funny about the Dreamcoin. So then you upload it here, you send it here. So now Dreamer, in the Dreamer section, let me check what's in the Dreamer section. I think my network is some kind of poor. I have a poor network presently. Sorry. So in the Dreamer section, what people are doing here is they are posting as Dreamer. Let me do the same thing. At times you may not know what to do, but the moment you see what people are posting, you can also do that as Dreamer. Let me just send it. So the way people are doing it. So early supporter OG section. Let me click on this. So the early supporter OG section. So that means I'm qualified. I don't know. I think I'm qualified. I don't know. Okay. Let me just type something. Hash early. By the time you use this thing, you will understand it very well. So because nobody teach me. So I just received some kind of little bit guidance. So someone just guide me, not that someone teach me or I watch a tutorial video. I didn't watch any tutorial videos. So it's something that you, by the time you use it, you get used to it, or you'll be used to it. Sure. So early supporter, let me send this. Oh, thank God, I think I'm an early supporter, so I should be able to qualify for this airdrop, because as you can see, oh, I don't know, am I early supporter? Okay, let's just continue. So now in the airdrop address, let's let this unload. Airdrop address, I think, let me go back to, so now here under the start section, you can see what they say here. Post your BSC address in airdrop address if you are an early supporter. Now I can copy my BSC address, then I'll post it in the airdrop address 100,000 drain section, according to what they are saying there. So airdrop address, so I'll copy my BSC, the Binance Smart Chain address, so not Solana address. This one is not a Solana based airdrop, this one is a BSC, Binance blockchain. Then I'll go to my Trust wallet to copy my address, or if I have it somewhere here, let me check my notepad. I think I should have it in my notepad. So I have it here, BSC wallet. So let me just copy it. I believe we all know how to copy, or I believe you should know how to copy your BSC address. And I go back to the Discord server and I paste, send using the white arrow with blue background, and you send. So that means I'll send my address. So you have to be very careful at times, because this section, address posting section, is in slow mode. As you can see, immediately I pasted the address, this time starts counting down. This is 6 hours. That means I can post again until after 6 hours. Can you get that? Until after 6 hours. So that's when I can post again. Like this person now, for example, this one, I think this person post a Solana address. This is a Solana address. So definitely this person will not be able to post again until after 6 hours. So before that 6 hours come to pass, it is possible the airdrop has closed. They might have locked this section that you won't be able to post anything again after the 6 hours, or maybe even in the next 2 hours. So that means you have missed the airdrop if you post the wrong thing. So another thing you can do is you can also edit what you have. You can edit what you post. Like for example, if I can still see what I just post now, I'm not sure. Okay, this is it. This is what I just post now. My address. This is my address. Though nobody teach me all this. This is my address. So I can just click on it, then I hold it. So now I have edit. So if you click on edit, so you'll be able to edit what you have posted. So I can just clear it. After clearing it, then I copy the main address that I want to put. So I'll paste it, then I'll send again. So that's the only option you can use. So I think that's that about pasting of address. So you can just close this one. Let me go back. So after that, I've completed I think that's the second task. So the second one which I have, which is here, airdrop address 500,000. So they said I did not have permission to view the message history of airdrop address 500,000. I don't know why. Maybe I need to have some kind of qualification. Maybe this one is for early supporters. Maybe that means I'm not an early supporter. Because I don't know. So now clicking on this Twitter section. So this is where you post your Twitter link, because you'll be asked to in any airdrop. At times they will ask you to do some kind of Twitter tags. They will ask you to follow them on Twitter. They will say follow our Twitter accounts, retweet our print posts, and then tag 3 friends, and then say a very good say something good about us. So now to see their Twitter link, let me check it here. So this is their Twitter link here. This is their Twitter link. I don't think they have a form. They don't have any form. But this is their Twitter link. So I'll click on the link. I'll click on the link. So automatically it goes straight to my Twitter account, because I already have Twitter app installed, and then I've already logged in into my Twitter account. So that's why it takes me straight to my Twitter, because I have the Twitter app on my phone. Let me just go back. I want to check something before I post it, because I have like 3 Twitter accounts. So now, okay, this is the main account that I want to use. So okay, I'm good to go. Let me go back to Discord. So I'll click on the link again, which will take me here. So I'll click on the account, which is this, their Twitter account. I'll click on it. So I'll follow them. I'll follow NIC Wang. You click on this follow to follow the account. Follow. Then after following them, so I think this is their okay. Let me just click back. Click this arrow to go back. You should be able to do this. There are normal things. Then go back. So this is the post that I'm to retweet, and then I'll tag I'm not sure. This is the post I'm going to retweet. So many people are doing this. Let me go back to Discord. I want to be very sure. So retweet and tag on the telephone. Okay, I think it's the tweet. I'm at the right place. Let me go back. Yeah. So what I will just do is, I don't have time to start typing, doing any unnecessary typing. I will just copy this. And this is another person's reply. I'll just click and hold, copy to clipboard. Then I'll go back. Then I'll click on this love icon to like the Twitter post. And then to retweet, you click on this to retweet. To reply, you click on this. So let me first reply, and I'll paste. Click on reply. They said tag more than 3 friends. So all these, they are not my friend, but they cannot know that they are not my friend. So all I just need to do is just tag more than 3 person. So, and this is the username of like 6 Twitter user, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I believe you should be able to do all this. Then you click on reply. So that means I've replied. So they didn't ask me to reply, but let me just do that one, because other people are doing it, and then it cost me nothing. So then you click on the retweet. Firstly, you have to first make sure you always do a quote tweet first. You click on quote tweet, because if you do ordinary retweet, you won't be able to do the quote tweet. So do the quote tweet first, then you paste, reply, and retweet. You click on retweet, so that means I've retweeted. So the next thing is I want to do a normal tweet. I'll click on retweet. So that is all. I'm done with that. So now say retweet this post, this tweet. Post your retweet and tag more than 3 friends. So now the retweet link, I'll now have to copy the retweet link. I'll copy my retweet link. I'll go back to Twitter. This is my Twitter app. I'll click back. Then I'll click this tab. I don't know the kind of Twitter you're using. Maybe it's on if it's on the browser, just make sure you find a way how to copy your tweet link. So I'll click on this menu tab. Then I'll click on my account, which is this. So I'll click on this to get my, because I want to copy the retweet link. So I can just decide to like my retweet. So the retweet, I always like to make use of my quote tweet, because I think that's what they always ask of. They always ask of the quote tweet. So that's why I always make use of quote tweet. Then you click on this. You click on this icon. So then you click share. So I copy. I don't know how it is on your phone. So, but my home phone, that's the way it is. So that means, so if you want to copy the retweet link, so that's how you copy it. You click on this share. So this icon is for share. It's share icon on any phone, on any device. Whenever you see this kind of icon, it's for share. So you click on share, then you click on copy link. So you go back to your Discord. So click the menu tab. So after the menu tab, you click on Twitter, the Twitter section. So that's where you post your retweet link. So you paste. So then you send, clicking the white arrow with blue background. So that is, I'm done with that. So is there any other task? Okay, let me go to other airdrop to see what Dream BSA launch giveaway. Okay, winners will get about 100 million Dream each. Follow either like tag 3 friends, comment your BSC wallet, ends in 48 hours. So now like this one will end in 48 hours. So you say you should do all these tasks: like and retweet, tag 3 friends, comment your BSC wallet address, end in 48 hours. So then all I need to do is copy. I need to click on this link. So to take me to my Twitter account. So okay, let me follow this person because he's the one that posted it. So that I may not qualify if I didn't follow him. So let me just follow him. So then let me like. So the next thing is, it said like. I already clicked the like button. The next thing is retweet, tag 3 friends, and then I'll comment my BSC address. So let me just copy someone's. I don't have time for all that. Typing, that's a waste of time. So because I'm not going to check that. So just paste. So all I just need to do is, next time if you copy, don't go and send someone's address, because this person's address is there already, so I'll have to clear it. I'll put my own address. So then I'll go and copy my address, put my notepad. So copy my address, then you go back to your Twitter. I'll paste my address. So let me copy everything, because I'll do a code tweet so that it's going to see it very well that I've already done the task. Then click reply. So successful. Click the retweets icon. I'll do a code tweet so that code tweet, retweet again. I'll do normal tweet, retweet. So I think I'm done with that. You can see this is my name, Joseph Oluwafemi Fale. So this project is very good. I hope to join with you. Then I tag 3 friends. They are not my friend, I just use them. So then always make sure you do whatever they ask you to do. Now in their post they put hash airdrops, hash BNB, dollar BNB. So you need to add all those tags. So that's what will make you qualify for the airdrop. So I think I'm done with that one. Let me go back to Discord. So off-topic section. So in off-topic section, so this section is just for you to discuss, see whatever you want that does not that has nothing to do with the project. So that is that about that one. And there is a robot commands. Click the robot commands. In this robot command, you can verify if you already have a successful capture. So just click the exclamation mark, then you write you type verify. There is no space between the exclamation mark and the verify. So then you click on send. The white arrow with blue background is the send. So me clicking on the verify, can you see my username is the first Alagbarason. You have already been verified. So that means I've already been. If you want to check if you have been verified, so just come to the robot command. All these things, they are pretty easy. So you just, anytime you join a new server, what you just need to do is start from the top, check it section by section, read rules, announcement, so that you know what to do. So nobody teach me this. So another section we have is general. So general is just for discussion. So we can just discuss. At times you may be restricted from some section. So it depends on the developer preference. So Chinese section for Chinese people to chat. So price of dream, that is the where you talk about the price of dream, so on. So meme, I already discussed this meme. So meme post. I think I'm done with this airdrop. I've already applied for the airdrop, so I hope when the distribution starts, I hope they give me. When they don't give me, that's not the end of the world. I'll need to apply for more airdrop. At times, when they didn't give you airdrop, you'll be very disappointed. Maybe you feel like I do all you ask me to do. I did everything. So why is it that I didn't get the airdrop? You see some of your friends, some of your colleagues, they'll be credited. So all you just need to do is make sure you follow the instructions. Follow all the instructions. Follow it fully. And then if you didn't receive one airdrop, that doesn't mean the next airdrop that you not get it. So don't give up. So this airdrop that we just completed is BSC based, the Binance airdrop. I don't like them. So let me just do it. Well, I think that's what we'll do in this tutorial video for now. Maybe in the next video we'll talk about Solana based airdrop. Solana based, because I don't want this video to be too long, so let me stop it. I believe you understand. If there is any question after releasing this video, after watching it, you can just send me a message on WhatsApp, on the YouTube. You can leave a comment, anything. So let me know. So it's 45 minutes already. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.